everybody, I'm Michelle from Supply Physical Therapy, and today I'm going to tell you about a new product that we have. These are ice freezer bags. They take the place of using just ice and water. They stay frozen longer, so you don't have to keep adding more ice. And also a lot of people like to use frozen water bottles, but the labels on those and the glue can come off and get caught in the motor, which will void your warranty. So these take the place of that. They're much safer to use. And now I'm going to show you how to use them. So now, bring your freezer bags in the kitchen. You're going to open them up and we're going to fill them with water. Now you don't want to fill them all the way because once they freeze, you need to leave room for them to expand. So about here. Close it up, seal it, and then we're going to stick it in the freezer. Once it's frozen, this is what it's going to look like, and then we're ready to put it in the cooler. Once the bags are frozen, this is what they'll look like. Then we're ready to place them in the cooler. You can fit up to 3 bags into the cooler. Stick them in, fill it with water, put your lid on, and you're ready to go. If you have any further questions, we're here to help you Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. You can call us at 1-844-505-8144.